This is Yonkers Avenue and Orchard. I'm sorry, and Walnut, not Orchard, Walnut. Motorcycle crash. Traffic is crazy at this moment. Let me see if I can go to the other side. He's been taken care of by a fire department and police officers. He's laying down. At the moment, I don't know his condition, but he seems to be in bad shape. La gente que habla español, estoy aquí en Yonkers Avenue y Walnut, un accidente de motorcycle. La persona, la víctima, está allá en el piso, en el medio. Y la motora aquí abajo. No sé con qué chocó el motorcycle. Pessoal que fala português, estou aqui na intersecção de Yonkers Avenue e Walnut. Um choque ou caída de uma pessoa já me esqueci como é que se diz em português, numa moto. A vítima está no meio dos pessoal de emergências. Yeah.
I don't want you to see them going through the entrance.
He's talking, that's a good sign. He's hurt, but he's talking. He's hurt, but he's talking. Mira, ¿y chocó con qué?
No sé, parece que fue con un carro, pero que
¿Pero
no.
cuál carro?
No está ahí. O sea, yo no veo carro, cuando yo salí ya estaba en el suelo.
Ya estaba en el suelo.
Pero con algo chocó.
¿Algo?
Lo que pasa es que
¿No
se
será
fue
que cayó solo?
Solo, mira. Solo.
Oh, la parte del carro.
De un carro.
Now, we're trying to find out if this was a collision between a motorcycle and a car. We don't see any other car where the collision might happen, but we see pieces of what appears to be of a car. Let me go there. Let me go there to see if we can see. What did he hit with? Where did he hit? You don't know?
What's you spending $100 on here? What's up there, folks? Look at you. What did you do that for? Look at all that.
There is pieces of the motorcycle here. The shoe is under the car, but I cannot see what other vehicle could be involved here. Oh, he hit your car?
Yeah,
Which one?
the orange one's over there.
Where is your car? Which one?
The orange one. This side.
Oh,
walking,
okay.
the other side.
And what happened? Tell us what happened.
Okay. But they are doing like, but it's coming fast. I don't see him. But when I finished to pass, almost passed it by the second though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the gentleman is saying that he was coming, trying to make a... You were coming which way? He's coming from east to west to make a left on Walnut. And the motorcycle is coming from east to west and just passed the light and hit that vehicle there.
The other side is walking.
Let me go there so you can see. Wow.
See?
This is the vehicle that is involved. The driver is telling me that he didn't stop for the red light. He was coming too fast and he hit the car. Now, I wasn't here. I'm just going by what the driver of this vehicle said. But you're okay, right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're okay.
Maybe a little bit question, but
Go to the hospital. Go to the hospital. Because today you feel like nothing happened, but you don't know about tomorrow. That way you have an on record. What's up, brother?
Go to the back.